What kind of business owner do you want to be? The answer to this question is going to be very important in building your business the right way that's right for you. Hi, my name is Ron Ipach, and I'm putting these videos together in hopes to be able to distill down the good, the bad, and the uglies of the lessons that I've learned and the lessons of the thousands of small business owners that I've worked with over those years, in hopes that we can help streamline your future so you don't make the wrong decisions like so many of us have in the past. Now, if you like what you're seeing, please go down below the video, like the video, comment on the video, share it with somebody that you think is going to get some really good value from it. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Now back to the question, what kind of business owner do you want to be? Look, if you're a technician and you love working on cars and you own an auto repair shop, maybe that's your sole focus. If that's your life's work and you love getting dirty and being able to diagnose what's wrong with the car and that's your passion, then you need to build a business that allows you the freedom to be able to do that. Or maybe you're enjoying small biz ownership and you want to grow the business, you want to make more money, or have the business give you more freedom, or both. That's a different kind of business than somebody that's in the back turning wrenches and working on cars all day. And maybe you're at the other extreme and you're the empire builder. You're the one that wants to grow an empire. You want to build one shop and you want to start another one or buy another one and then another one and another one, and ultimately you want to own 10 locations. Doesn't matter the answer, okay? There's no right or wrong answer. It's the right or wrong answer for you. And based on that answer, that's how you're going to build your business. If you love working on cars, no problem with that. Build a business that's going to support the lifestyle that you want, that's going to be able to allow you to work on cars. If you're somebody who doesn't want to work on cars and you want to work on the business, then don't be in the back working on the cars, because the only way you're going to get to what you want is to stop working on cars. I hope you get the point. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.